Today we're going to play a little game. I have two guys tied up. Shit, he's dead! Hey!
Damn, man. Where the hell are we, man?
I know. Think we made it far enough?
Hallelujah, man. I knocked that fool out. This fool is cold. Come on, man. We can't do anything with it. We gotta bail, man. We gotta bail, man.
Oh.
Hey, my phone. No.
Get out of here! Get out of here! The car! No one's in there. We need a rifle. We need a rifle, man. There's no car. Dude, hey, look, it's alright, man. Throw it at the guy for him. Throw it at. Hey, man, look at the car. Look. It's alright. Hey, fool, it's alright. Stop! Stop, man, stop. We need a ride. We need a ride. Thank you, man. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
What are you doing, man? You freak, you little freak, man. You freak. No. Not again! Knock you out cold this time, boy! Get on him, dog!